Hello mga ka-dreamers! Kamusta po kayo? Welcome back po sa ating YouTube channel na Dzapmakeup, and for today's video, ito na yung isa sa mga pinaka-importanting week ko sa isang buong taon, yung Sephora Makeup Convention. This week, cancel off tayo. 9 days akong may pasok ngayon. Yung Sephora Convention, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, nangyayari to sa mga Sephora staffs na mga makeup enthusiasts or mga beauty consultants na naka-assign sa makeup. Tapos lahat ng exclusive brands, magpe-present sila ng mga bagong products sa mga Sephora employees. Ngayon, this year, 2 days sila ginawa. Today and tomorrow. Today is September 8 and then tomorrow, September 9. Whole day yon from 9 to 5 p.m. Pero ang call time namin is 8 a.m. So, ako na-assign ako ngayon, of course, sa Fenty. So, ipipresent ko yung products namin sa mga Sephora staff, sa mga Sephora employees sa buong Middle East. So, magpupuntahan lahat sila rito sa Dubai. Naka-check-in lahat sila rito kagabi pa. So, kasama yung mga Bahrain, Qatar, Saudi. Medyo nagmamadali lang ako, pasensya na. Tapos, represent namin nga isa-isa yung brands. Nandun yung 3 brands namin, yung Marc Jacobs, Kat Von D, saka yung Fenty. Ito yung mangyayari for the next 2 days. Panoorin po ninyo.
I gave you my heart.
Dito na with Cherry. Medyo traffic dito, oh, kasi school area. So, papasok na kami doon sa venue. Ayan na, ayan na. Hi! Wow! Nandito kami sa ballroom area. So, ito na yung booth ko. Wala pang products. Magsiset up pa lang kami. So, ayan. Fenty! Say hi, Basan! Ayan. There. Ayun, ang Marc Jacobs. Ito yung mga bagong products mamaya. Yan ilalagay. Then, Urban Decay. Dito. Ano to? Cover Effects. Smashbox. Summer Kusami, Tarte, ito yung Kat Von D, dyan, and then yung bagong mga foundation, ayan, and then yung stage, and then may mga makeup applications dyan later, nude sticks, Huda Beauty, ano pa ba, Zoeva, Too Faced, and Hourglass. So, mamaya lahat ng mga bagong products na lalabas. This fall, winter season. Ayan, dyan. Fenty, may pinakamagandang booth. Oh. Siyempre, magkape muna tayo. Wow. And kumain-kain muna tayo, no? Nakakagutom. Ito maghapon na to. Yay! Our booth is done. All the new collection. Foundation, concealer.
Come, did you?
Yay!
Hello po, ito po yung first day ng aming convention. So Maka Dreamer, hope that we can able to tackle and cover what will be the event today. So DJ was so very busy. That's the pool place. Ayun. So nagre-retouch si DJ.
Hourglass.
So ayan mga ka-dreamer. Fresh ka pa ba, DJ? Anong oras kang nagising?
7:45 nandito na ako.
Oh my God. Ako wala pa akong tulog.
Tapos si Cherry.
So ayan po yung Too Faced. Ito yung Sueva. They'll launch the new foundation, the very first foundations today. Huda Beauty. Yan pa. Fenty. Kat Von D at pati yung regional makeup artist nila. Meet the gorgeous regional makeup artist of Kat Von D. Yan po yung tart. So, yung Smosh Box, Cover FX, tsug Marc Jacobs. So, yan po mga ka-dreamer, na-tour ko na kayo. So, we'll be back after. We're gonna keep you updated. Edit mo lang to DJ.
As you can see that we have 40 brands, 40 amazing brands, but there is a lot of foundation as well. So, what is your role also whenever you're in the booth for a brand who has a foundation, you want to make sure that you shade match yourself. The notebook that is in your neck, you're going to write down the exact shade from that brand. Understood? Clear for you? Right, and then in the afternoon, you're gonna have a foundation workshop. This is something exciting. We're gonna give you much more details later on. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited. Are you? Yes!
How's your experience?
It's amazing. I love the eyebrows. And I love this mirror, by the way. And I look great.
Yeah. Hi.
It's very informational. I loved it.
Nice to see you here.
Thank you so much.
Mahaba!
Wow!
How's the experience so far?
It was so amazing.
It was
is
so
an
amazing. Sami
indeed.
Hozami is the best.
Marc Jacobs
You will get
from
a
Kento
gift.
brand, still from Sir Marc Jacobs, still not
No,
with Kat
Kat
Von
Von
D,
D.
still Kat Von D and
Fenty,
Fenty.
you will receive the gifts later.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Okay, this is the
May
best.
gifts later.
Hi! Ayan pangit ko, Chi.
Hi.
It's amazing.
No,
Kat-
Fenty.
Kat Von D foundation. It's
Fenty Beauty, darling, Fenty.
it's Fenty.
You know, you will receive a lot of gifts from Kendo.
Thank you, Kento. Thank you, Kento advance.
Thank you, Kento. You're
I'm
amazing.
dark brown with eyes.
So ayun guys, tapos na yung first half ng mga stuff. And second half naman, may 20 minutes break today. Tapos bukas ganun uli, papakita ko yan sa inyo. Yeah, I have Elmer from Bahrain.
Hello.
Justine from DFC.
Oh.
Anjali from Malain.
And Pimco from Libya.
So, welcome to Fenty booth.
I'm from
What can you say about our experience? Your experience in Fenty?
It is so amazing. I love the brand. I love the textures. It's very lightweight. The primers, oh my God. The eyebrow pencils, amazing. Totally amazing, especially with the unique puddle brush. I love it.
By the way, Elmer is my previous colleague before in Kendo. He's from Kendo before. I was with him. We're the first staff.
I know.
Oh. Hi.
I love Fenty. I love everything about
I love
Fenty.
Kendo.
So I'm in love.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. Hindi ba lunchtime? It's a vlog.
So, lunchtime. Kain muna tayo.
Hello mga ka-dreamers!
Mga dreamer.
I-tour mo naman kami. Mark, what's new in Huda?
They actually have the latest pencil.
Huda
We'll be
Beauty.
launching it September 25th. Excited. So this is eyeliner.
And?
And then the other side is liquid eyeliner.
Wow. Amazing.
And with the, isn't she beautiful?
Very beautiful. Sueva is just foundation as well.
Yeah, foundation also.
How? Hourglass.
Hourglass, we actually have
Limited edition
limited
palette.
edition that will be out in the market pretty soon. So this is what we call the Ghost palette. So we have pre-limited edition, pre-limited color, limited edition color. The finishing powder on the top and blushers and bronzers.
Marc Jacobs, ito yung bago nila. Eyeshadow, shimmer, and lip gloss. Urban Decay, foundation, and concealers. Ooh, cover effects. Nice. Shape tape?
Face tape.
Face tape foundation for Tarte. Nice one.
We also have our key primers, Blue Matte, Soft Matte, and Soft Tint. Blue Matte, Soft Matte.
It erases, right? But when you do like a light stroke, you create your natural, softer eyebrow color that you want, right? Very slick packaging, and it's very easy to use, very easy to look for your color. We're now looking for a blush. We can now recommend this one. For example, I have the pink lemonade. You know, this one is a powdery finish, creamy but powdery finish. And then I have a blending brush. You just get your pigments that you want, and then you apply. Then you get the natural effect. The main secret in getting the right shade of your customer is by asking them questions. You know, in Fenty we have like a lot of shades. We have hundreds are light, 200s are medium, 300s are tan, and 400s are deep. We have different kinds of undertone. We can ask the right undertone by asking the right. Yeah, we're done! Yay! First day is done. We're done now. Done. Yay! Sarap!
Finally, tapos na po.
Sunday! Yeah.
You know what guys? Nag-ingay ng Fenty.
Because we're happy.
They are so maingay. I was like so distracted.
Halika na.
Natapos na yung aming
Bababa na po kami ngayon.
day. Ganon din naman yung mangyayari tomorrow sa ibang batch naman. So, uwi na kami. At least medyo maaga kami makakauwi.
Dahil ang dami mong dagdag doon.
So, ayun. So, see you sa next vlog natin, mga ka-dreamers. Thank you. Sana na-enjoy nyo. Bye na kayo.
Bye mga ka-dreamers!
Bye!
Bye!